them.
Oh yeah, he's going for it.
Don't think about it. Boy, don't think about it. My stomach hurts.
Oh my god.
So we're on our way to LA to meet up with our favorite bikini bike wash girl, Jenna. We're gonna eat something saucy. We're also meeting up with David and Henry Haddad, and we're just gonna have a good lunch, man. We're gonna talk about some fun stuff. We're also gonna watch Jenna struggle with some really hot wings, right? That'll be fun. And today I'm riding a 2012 Triumph 1050 speed triple because today we're gonna go eat something hot and saucy. My favorite heat eater, Johnny K. Brass, was invited, but he didn't want to go, man. He said his tolerance for heat absolutely sucks. Even after I told him it wasn't going to be that bad, he didn't really care. So my task to all of you guys, go over to his channel, tell him to quit being a little bitch, get back on the bike, and ride with his old buddy, Suburban Delinquent. Go ahead and do that now, but make sure you come back, because again, we have a long day ahead of us. It's going to be awesome. Oh shit. A little head nut. See that? It's gone. Oh, hello, Mr. Ferrari. Ah, traffic. Welcome to Los Angeles. Wouldn't be LA without you. Good to see you again, my friend. Out of my way, Pris. Looks like a truck rolled over. Ouch. Wow. Hopefully we're all right. Ventura Boulevard, that's us. Alright. Alright, Miss Jenna, good to see you.
Hello, good afternoon. Good to see you.
What are we working with here?
I have to sign a waiver.
A waiver? You've never had to do that in one of my videos.
No, for a spicy challenge. Because the spiciest is Blazing Carolina Reaper. That sounds pretty hot, so it's to make sure I don't die. And if I do, it's not their fault.
We're at Buffalo Wild Wings. We got the man, the myth, the legend.
I'm here enjoying this scenery and watching two people suffer while they eat their...
That's exactly why I'm here too.
And I'm cringing because I know she didn't read the waiver. Do I step in as a lawyer or am I here on my day off?
You're in on this.
I'm in on the Reaper. This is giving me the butterflies. I didn't realize it was a Reaper that we're doing.
You and Jenna, you're gonna compete.
We're competing here.
You got 5 minutes to eat 10 wings of the hottest wings that they have. So hot that you have to sign a waiver.
Yes.
Either one of you done anything in preparation
I had a small
to build up your heat
breakfast.
tolerance for today?
You know what? I should have done that last week.
You got this?
I think I got this. Easy peasy. It's all up here.
You got this. And if not, we just get to watch you suffer. It's gonna be sweet.
That's gonna be the best part.
Hold on. I'm gonna.
It's a nice color on it. Oh, it's a whole deal. Oh no. That one's for you?
Okay, so how long do I get? And then
You guys have 5 minutes.
Hold
They
on.
can't have
5
meat.
minutes?
You guys have 5 minutes to eat all of those with no meat on the bone.
okay.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. You're off to a good start, folks.
They're going for it.
Got to. Can I dip it?
No.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Sorry. Am I eliminated?
Keep going.
Yeah, I see him.
You guys are good. You guys are good. Wow.
Oh, they look like
Temperature hot.
temperature hot. Oh. They don't want to give out those headbands.
Look at it.
Ugh.
Come on, guys, you got this.
You got it. Wow.
I was about to lick my fingers on second one.
Yeah, we're keeping it like that.
What do you think,
No,
buddy?
less than a minute. You're doing good.
Temperature hot.
Super minute. Need napkin? Can you use napkin? No napkin? Wow. Sorry.
Jenna hates me.
Oh.
1 minute longer.
It's a illegal term for admission against Oh, thing?
And you can't tap out if you want to. Just a heads up.
Yes?
You can't tap out.
I can.
Oh, yeah.
It's hot.
What are you feeling, Jenna?
It's hot. That's all I can say.
How are you, Mr. David? What's happening?
I think I could do it if I had more time, but
Oh, yeah. He's going for it. I think he's got to be.
My stomach hurts.
is this Reaper?
Wow. Let him go. What do you feel? What do you feel? Pain all over, pain in your mouth.
She hates
Hot.
Hot.
She'll never do another video with me again.
2 minutes down.
Oh.
Oh, you got it.
Can I take a drink? No.
No. You're shaking.
That's hot.
Hot. Is this the hottest you've ever had?
I can't talk.
Would you rather be somewhere else?
Anywhere else.
Would you rather be fishing?
It's like the longest 2 minutes of my life.
Right. Almost 2 minutes 45 seconds.
Better, you think you can do it?
Sweat. Everybody knows that's good.
Ah, tapped out. Valiant effort. Valiant effort.
Wow.
It's like hours later.
He's going for it. Wow.
Oh my god.
And he's cleaning the bones. Those are good. You got it. You got it. 2 more minutes.
You got 2 minutes. Let's go. You can do it.
Oh, you can give it a minute.
Wow.
That's gonna help you with the.
You guys have to do this to work here? Imagine? No. Oh my god, I'm mad.
Yeah, you want to work here? You got to
I know, right?
look at him go. Wow.
I'm super impressed.
A minute and a half. Wow, he's serious.
You got it.
A minute is left.
Got this.
You got this. You got this.
I'm so impressed.
Wow.
You think he's gonna do it, Jenna?
I think you got it.
1 minute.
50 seconds. 50 seconds. 50 seconds.
You got it. You got it.
You got it. You got it. 40 seconds. 30 seconds. That counts for that one.
Hold the short one.
Go, she said it counts. It counts.
You got it.
I'm gonna move.
Right. Go. Wow. No,
You got it. You got it.
Wow.
No.
Really?
All right, let's do one of these.
You can experience if yourself. The first couple aren't bad. It's the third.
All right, we're doing it.
All right, we're doing it. Here we go. Come on, it's good.
It's good at first.
Woo-hoo.
Creeps up on you.
Holy shit. It's hot. Wow.
It's like a delayed. Yeah.
My mouth is on fire. Wow. My nose is running.
They have one.
Oh man, that one is, that's pain.
Could you eat 10 more of those in 5 minutes?
That's pain. I'm in pain.
Oh, yeah. Can I get on the wall?
We don't have the wall.
On the wall?
No.
Here, on your website.
Save it forever.
No, here, I'll wear it for the crew.
Me, please. 2, also.
Wow.
I got a free ice cream.
Ice cream for me.
I feel like a champ. We came in with a mission, a purpose, and we did it. We did it, guys.
How do you feel?
10 wings in 5 minutes, and we did it. We did it, right?
Yes, did it.
Verified?
You did it. You did it.
We did it. We did it. We did it. I'll do it again. We can go on more walls. I didn't think for a minute that I was gonna lose.
Alright, positive thinking. It's not it.
We got a proud father here too.
I am.
You want some ice cream
No, I'm good.
for your stomach?
Okay, maybe.
Yeah. Go on that side, so we don't double dip.
Miss Jenna, this is your first food challenge
This is my very first food challenge
ever in life.
ever in life. It was an experience, let me tell you.
Was it the hottest thing you've ever eaten?
It's definitely the hottest thing I've ever eaten. I had a lot of emotions going on. Anxiety, stress, and then afterwards it felt good. I was like, oh, I'm proud of myself.
Want to go back, do it again?
Definitely.
Right now.
Yeah. No.
All right, Blazing Challenge winner. Look at that.
I had my redemption.
I thought it said Buffalo Wild Wings, but it actually is like a trophy.
This is a trophy.
Are you going to wear it
Yes.
every day?
We'll see.
Pin it up in your room?
Yeah. And as I prepare for the next spice challenge, you know.
Which we're going to do again.
I mean, I'm open. I'm here, man.
But you're going to be the cheerleader next time.
I'm going to be the cheerleader because I'm better at that than eating the food.
All right, Mr. Henry. We need some wisdom. Anytime you're in a video, you always give us some really good insight. We need some of that Henry advice.
I was asked this recently, why do I need an attorney?
Why do you need an attorney?
Right.
As loud as you can.
Right. And here is the reason. There are cases, laws, case decks, decisions on negligence, liability, injuries, damages, what your rights are. Insurance companies have their lawyers. They know exactly what you're entitled to, and their job is to collect premiums and pay you the least amount. That's how they profit. You need to
Bastards.
get someone who can rise up to the challenge and fight for it. Keeping it simple, just keeping it real, right?
And I know who's fighting for me. Huh?
Right. Fight for you guys. Of course.
Henry's working on an Instagram account. He's got some cool stuff coming. I'm going to put a link to his account in the description of the video. Go over there, see what he's got to offer. And Miss Jenna,
Yes.
what are we plugging today? Are we doing OnlyFans? Are we doing Instagram? What are we doing?
We got our Instagram. I got it on my car. It's at One Generation. Follow me, and OnlyFans at Generation. So.
All right, all right.